Hello everyone, today I will introduce to you the 11 most advanced computer devices available today. Now let's go explore. 1. Mainboard Z790 AORUS XTREME XD5. The Gigabyte Z790 AORUS XTREME X motherboard is a quality product from a reputable brand, designed to meet the needs of gamers and technology enthusiasts. This Z790 mainboard supports DDR5 RAM and is built on the Intel Z790 chipset, which improves system performance and optimizes compatibility with new generation Intel CPUs. Socket LGA 1700 and supports maximum 192 GB RAM. Socket allows you to handle multitasking and memory-intensive tasks with ease. 2. Card RTX 4000 and 24 GB. ROG Matrix GeForce RTX 4090 features ROG's first liquid metal thermal compound on the graphics card. Featuring a custom-designed cold plate that captures heat not only from the RTX 4090 GPU die but also from the VRM and memory chip, this VGA has even more headroom to push its clocks higher, longer, more, allowing ROG to use only absolute performance. ROG Matrix GeForce RTX 409 helps you handle most of today's modern tasks, and more than that, you'll have a great frame whether it's gaming, graphics design, or work. Using a custom, extra thick 360mm radiator, supported by a trio of ROG MF12S ARGB fans. These daisy-chainable fans connected together with a magnetic connector that links the fans and transmits control and power signals will be the best performing network card for your PC. 3. RAM Kingston Fury Renegade. If you like your system and colors vibrant, choose the Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 RGB with 18 pre-installed RGB lighting effects or the motherboard and heatsink manufacturer's RGB software. Black, silver or white, silver aluminium is beautifully and newly designed combined with black printed circuit board PCB. Ensure flawless RGB lighting effects with infrared sync technology. With speeds up to 8000 mount/s, Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 RGB features premium components aligned with today's leading motherboards, ensuring a smooth overclocking experience for users. DDR5 ushers in a whole new era of memory technology, delivering extreme overclocking that is more stable than previous generations. Supports up to 2 customizable profiles, helping you optimize your own timing, speed and voltage configurations. 4. Corsair MP600 PRO 8TB/M.2. Corsair MP600 PRO 8TB/M.2 with Extreme Gen 4 storage performance. Expand your PS5 storage with a PCI Gen 4 X4 SSD delivering up to 7100 MB per second sequential read and 6800 MB sequential write speeds per second. High-speed PCI Gen 4 X4 M.2 1.4 interface, using PCI Gen 4 technology for maximum bandwidth. MP600 PRO delivers incredible storage performance that will help you optimize an archive. Fits the needs of almost any game library, whether you have 4 games will help you optimize an archive. Faster gaming, the MP600 PRO LPX exceeds all performance requirements of the Sony PS5 M.2, so material games load faster than ever, directly from the SSD. Pre-installed aluminium profile heatsink, supports heat dissipation and throttling, so your SSD maintains high performance instantly. 5. Ultragear 45-inch curved gaming monitor. 45-inch curved Ultragear QHD with 32:9 aspect ratio. Stream and create on a high refresh rate, vivid color display, on one screen at the same time. HDMI, get smooth, vivid colors and high resolution graphics thanks to HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4.
Both connections are supported on this monitor and allow you to experience refresh rates of up to 200 Hz. 200 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time standard for smooth gaming. Faster speeds let you react quickly to your opponents and stay one step ahead of them. This Ultragear display supports up to 95% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, representing high-fidelity color, play, watch, stream or work from multiple input sources simultaneously on one screen, with speed minimum 120 Hz refresh at minimum full HD resolution and low gaming latency. You'll never miss a frame of the action when playing at peak performance. 6. Ryujin 360 AO heatsink. Ryujin 360 AO heatsink will be a heatsink suitable for all types of configurations today. You will not need to worry about CPU temperature when the latest 8th generation ASET blower with 3-phase motor brings optimal cooling effect, higher flow and become weaker. Innovative embedded fan in the computer case to cool the motherboard. VRM. 3.5 inches LCD monitors clock frequency, voltage, temperature, fan speed, water volume or animation. Customizable user GIF, customizable ARGB fans snap together with magnets especially to save installation time. New software features, embedded lamp speed control and AIDA 64 inches clone are both free. Ryujin 360 AO heatsink is an essential heater for the system through work. Cool your computer. 7. Case MasterFrame 700. MasterFrame 700 is a new product of Cooler Master, with a unique and fancy design, suitable for users who like change and creativity. Features a 3-part design including 2 side wings and a fully featured motherboard tray, easy to disassemble, easy to paint, package and other modifications that will meet all your device upgrading and installation needs. You want for your computer. Case Cooler Master MasterFrame 700 open air design, premium variable friction hinge, support for mismatched hardware, support extreme water cooling, fully tempered glass. 4 specially designed friction hinges hold the side wings to the motherboard tray, allowing both movement during assembly and stability once built, perfect for custom water cooling loops. The MasterFrame 700 is a highly customizable outdoor frame that can convert between a display PC frame or a highly versatile test bench. 8. MadCatz RAT Air Wireless Mouse. MadCatz RAT Air wireless mouse designed for modern gamers, wireless gaming mouse with RGB double-side electric pad, no battery required. RAT Air draws power through a magnetic field from the included pad that connects to your PC via USB. Ultra-fast 2.4 GHz wireless connection ensures non-stop gaming that never lets you down. MadCatz RAT Air wireless mouse allows you to adjust DPI macro settings and even RGB lighting effects. Immerse yourself in amazing colors like never before. Offers incredible tracking technology with a 12,000 DPI optical sensor that gives you sharp and highly precise movements. Using ultra-durable Omron switches with a lifespan of 50 million clicks ensures APM above minute. 9. K8 Pro Bluetooth Keyboard. The K8 Pro is the first QMK/Via powered non-chain mechanical keyboard that paves the way for a new generation of bass keyboards. Coupled with our upgraded audio and hot changeable features, the K8 Pro is taking the typing experience to a whole new level with endless possibilities. Keychron K8 Pro allows anyone to remap any key and create macro commands. You can wirelessly connect K8 Pro to up to 3 devices via stable Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless multitasking on your computer, your laptop, phone and tablet. You can change almost all 3-pin and 5-pin MX mechanical switches on the market. South-facing RGB backlight is designed to illuminate the keyboard backlight well more from a typist's perspective and comes with double-sided PBT keycaps that aim to provide excellent oil resistance and more comfort. 10. High-end chairs. Motion 1. Motion 1, the award-winning tactile gaming chair, is designed to redefine your home entertainment.
It is designed to change the digital content paradigm at home, where users not only want to see and hear but also feel them and create authentic connections to redefine digital experiences. Motion One will bring you a realistic action experience in the image before your eyes, giving you the most realistic feeling when using it. Feel the thrill when bullets rush past or the sound of space crashes. And discover a whole new world of performance. The Motion One represents Cooler Master's vision to redefine work settings and address information into lifestyle solutions. The design of the Motion One is unlike any other. It comes with close approach, the best user preference experience during tactile operation and normal use. 11. Bowers and Wilkins Px8 Wireless Headset. Bowers and Wilkins Px8 wireless headphones are noise-cancelling headphones with mic, all-new active noise cancellation designed to block unwanted noise and ensure superior music. Advanced adjustable features help enhance voice, significantly improving call quality. With a redesigned and optimized sound system, all new angled carbon actuators, and ultra-high resolution, the B&W Px8 over-ear wireless headphones deliver detailed sound with superior imaging. Superior and higher clarity. Soft nappa leather and lightweight aluminium arms ensure comfort over extended use. With a battery life of 30 hours after a 2-hour charge, this B&W Bluetooth headset is ideal for commuting, working in office or travel. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and a comment below to receive more videos every day.